Hey there, everybody. Meteorologist John Gross. Wanted to give you a little science lesson in what we've got coming up for weather across Michigan this week. Hot and humid conditions, those are back. We're at least talking 80s and 90s. Humidity levels, remember when we talk about the dew point, usually we need the numbers 60 plus to really feel that muggy feeling outside. We're going to be feeling it. Numbers could possibly even be in the low 70s, at least throughout Tuesday into Wednesday. So it's going to be muggy, and we're going to have a lot of heat. And that's going to be a nice, easy air mass for storm development. But one main thing that could prevent some of these storms from firing, we're going to be watching this later tonight. We're really going to be watching Tuesday. Also, the chances there for Wednesday for a few more storms to pop as well. That popcorn style chance is what I like to call it. We're going to go over what's called a capping inversion. So I want to go ahead and flip the camera and we'll go ahead and show you what's going on. So here's a look at it. We're going to pretend that this is looking at the surface of the earth. You can just use your stove, and I've just got a pot of boiling water. So we're going to pretend the sun is heating the earth or the surface of the stove, and then from that point, warmer air, remember, that's more buoyant. So that's able to escape back into the atmosphere a lot quicker. But when we call a capping inversion, that's what we're talking about with our lid right here. It's preventing that warm air from rising up into the atmosphere and developing into strong to potentially severe thunderstorms. If we remove that cap, you eventually see a lot of hot air quickly rising into the atmosphere. So that's what we're going to be looking at, especially tonight, and then again getting into the day on Tuesday. If we can get that release of the cap, we have the chance for storms to develop very, very quickly. However, if that cap holds steady for a longer period of time, then it's going to prevent more storm development. So that's going to be one of the main components we continue to watch. Obviously, the cap is not going to be completely perfect. You can see a little bit of hot air continuing to escape. But again, if we remove that cap, then we're going to get convection very, very quickly, and that can develop into strong to severe storms. So there you have it. Talking about storm chances, heat, all in the convenience of your own kitchen. So like always, when we talk about severe weather, we still can see it last few days of August before we're starting to get into those fall months. But with the heat, with the humidity, dew points again, 60s, could even have some low 70s over the next few days. When you combine the air temperature and the amount of humidity that we're going to have, those popcorn style chances for those showers and storms to pop into the afternoon and evening definitely are still going to be on the table. And then just your heat indices as well, when you combine those two, feels like temperatures for a lot of us are easily going to be in the 90s this week. You could even be pushing in a few spots closer to the triple digits. Make sure you're staying cool, staying hydrated, finding ways to take breaks in the AC, the shade if you need to. Also with the storm development and the chances that we have tonight, then especially going into the day on Tuesday. Also going to be watching Wednesday. Always have multiple ways to get weather alerts for your area. Have a great week and enjoy the rest of August.